Okay, the correct way to save your sheet metal part is, as you take a look at it here, this is kind of like my form sheet metal part. This is for manufacturing. The correct way to save it to be sent to the plasma cutter. So anywhere on the part, you right click. So I right click on the part. You scroll down to export to DXF DWG. Click on it. And then make sure you understand where the location is, where that part is going, where the DXF file is going. And then you click Save. And over here, it's very important that you select sheet metal, because that'll put it in a flat state and only check geometry. And accept that. Then you'll get a feedback page here. It's not showing much on here other than the rectangle, but that's in the flat state. You say Save. So what I mean by the flat state is if I suppress this or unsuppress that, there's the flat state of the part, showing where all the bend lines are. Okay. Folded. Flat. Alright, that's one way. That's the one way you save the sheet metal part. Now, just for real quick here, you understand, I'm just going to throw a hole in here. Alright, again, I'm going to do a DXF file, right click, export to DXF, save, yes. Again, sheet metal, accept. Now what you should see is that hole. So right there is a hole, and you can click Save. If you see lines, like your bend lines across this part somewhere, and you probably had bend lines selected over here, you just want geometry. Now this file will be put on a jump drive, and we will be taken over to I&D Lab to cut. Okay, now the parts that need to be cut, the parts that need to be wrapper prototyped. That's a different file type. So let's say I'm all done with my design of my part that needs to be wrapper prototype. You come out to File, you do a Save As, you save it as an STL, this right here, STL extension. Now you will find in here a folder, and because I'm at home recording this, in here folder called Rapid Prototyping, and that's where that file gets saved. The best way to do this is save it by your name. Oops, no, I should have done that. STL. So your name, and then hit save and make sure it's in the folder, and just let me know, and then I will put that, send that to the Rapid Prototyper.